A great camera isn't just about image quality, resolution, or speed. It also needs to be enjoyable to use, which encourages you to take it out of your bag and leave your phone in your pocket. The range of digital camera options on the market today is astounding. From quality entry-level DSLR cameras with interchangeable lenses, an electronic viewfinder, and image stabilization to full-frame DSLR or mirrorless cameras with an optical electronic viewfinder. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you find some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Fujifilm X-T4. This camera is capable of the high-resolution recording and support for DCI/Ultra HD 4K video at 60 frames per second, full HD recording up to 240 frames per second, sensitivity from ISO 160 to 12,800, and continuous shooting up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. The sensor's design also enables a hybrid autofocus system that combines 425 phase detection points with a contrast detection system for quick and accurate AF performance. It incorporates a 6.5 stop effective sensor shift image stabilization system to reduce the appearance of camera shake with almost any mounted lens. With a large, bright 3.69 m.dot electronic viewfinder, it can be set to a 100 frames per second refresh rate for notable smoothness when panning or tracking subjects. The rear 3.0-inch 1.62 m.dot touchscreen LCD now features a vari-angle design to suit working from high, low, and front-facing angles. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enables wireless remote camera control and image sharing to a mobile device. Mixing a contemporary imaging approach with traditional form and function, we have the Nikon D780 DSLR, featuring a 24.5 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. High-resolution stills and video recording are possible. The sensor features a BSI design for heightened clarity and reduced noise levels to suit working in a variety of lighting conditions. Complementing the imaging when working with the viewfinder, a 51-point phase detection autofocus system is available, including 15 cross-type points for greater accuracy in low-light conditions. It includes a 0.7 times magnification pentaprism optical viewfinder, along with a large 3.2-inch 2.36 m.dot tilting touchscreen LCD. This DSLR has dual UHS 2 SD memory card slots that offer flexible storage and built-in Wi-Fi. Bluetooth also enables wireless file transferring and remote camera control from a mobile device. Its sensor also permits Ultra HD 4K video recording up to 30 frames per second using either full frame or cropped areas. Moving to an even higher resolution realm, the Sony Alpha A7R IV continues the noteworthy series of highly capable full-frame cameras, characterized by impressive stills and video performance and versatility. Up to 10 frames per second shooting is possible and can record Ultra HD 4K 30 video, both with support for real-time eye AF and tracking AF technologies. The revised sensor design uses a fast hybrid AF system with 567 phase detection autofocus points, notably fast and accurate focusing performance. Additionally, benefiting both stills and video operation, It retains the 5-axis steady shot inside sensor shift image stabilization, which effectively minimizes the appearance of camera shake by up to 5.5 stops. Its OLED electronic viewfinder has been boosted to an impressive 5.76 m.dot resolution for clear viewing. The 3.0-inch rear tilting touchscreen LCD has a high 1.44 m.dot resolution for crisp playback, live view shooting, and menu navigation. Further, the built-in Bluetooth and both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands afford wireless transferring and remote camera control from linked mobile devices. Mixing speed, reach, and portability. The Sony Cybershot DSC RX100 VII is a pocket-sized camera packing a wealth of stills and video versatility. It uses an impressive 24 to 200 mm equivalent Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens, covering wide-angle to telephoto focal lengths for greater shooting flexibility in a variety of conditions. Single burst shooting also permits shooting at an extreme 90 frames per second for working with the fastest moving subjects. The sensor's design also provides a 357-point hybrid AF system for quick and accurate focus performance and subject tracking in both stills and video modes. A pop-up 2.36 m.dot OLED electronic viewfinder is a sleek means for eye-level viewing, or a 3.0-inch 921.6K dot LCD touchscreen. The LCD features a tilting design to support working from high and low angles, and its touch capability permits the use of touch focus and touch shutter functions. Plus, the camera also sports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity to share imagery to a linked mobile device or embed location information from your smartphone. Characterized by its exceedingly durable design, the Tough Red TG6 from Olympus is a sleek point-and-shoot capable of handling a wide variety of adventures. Featuring a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and TruePic VIII image processor, it offers notable image clarity and low-light performance to ISO 12800, fast 20 frames per second continuous shooting, and 4K 30p video recording. Also, high-speed, full HD 1080p shooting at 120 frames per second. It has a versatile 4x optical zoom lens, which spans a 25 to 100 mm equivalent range, and has an f/2 maximum aperture to benefit working in severe lighting conditions. The camera is rated for underwater use, tested to withstand falls and crushing, and is hermetically sealed against dust and moisture when working in trying conditions. Using built-in Wi-Fi and the Image Track app, recorded data and the imagery can also be shared with a mobile device for posting online. Additionally, a field sensor system incorporates GPS, a manometer, a compass, and a thermometer to record the details of your environment and embed this data onto your photos and movies. Presenting a versatile feature set in a uniquely compact design, the Sony A6100 is an APS-C format mirrorless camera well suited for stills and video applications. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Bionz X processor, capturing high-resolution stills with a broad sensitivity range and low noise is possible. The sensor and processor combination also affords Ultra HD 4K video recording and quick continuous shooting up to 11 frames per second for working with moving subjects. A rear 3.0-inch 921.6K dot touchscreen LCD is also available and has a 180-degree tilting design to suit working from high, low, and front-facing angles. Furthermore, benefiting fast-paced shooting, real-time IAF, and subject tracking capabilities ensure a sharp focus on various subject types. On the other hand, it has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enable wireless sharing of imagery and remote camera control from a linked mobile device. Upgraded, redesigned, and filled with features. And the Lumix DC GH5 digital camera from Panasonic provides an outstanding imaging platform for shooters who demand some of the best videos and still photography. At the heart of the camera is a 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor and a newly developed Venus engine processor, enabling the ability to record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The camera also features built-in 5-axis sensor stabilization, which can work with specific lenses to activate dual I.S 2 for highly effective shake correction that can compensate for up to 5 stops of shutter speed. For viewing and composing images, both the 0.76 times OLED viewfinder and 3.2-inch free angle touchscreen received resolution bumps to 3.68 m-dots and 1.62 m-dots. The magnesium alloy body is now freeze-proof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, in addition to splash and dust-proof. Moreover, for a completely wireless setup, it offers both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for advanced functionality when paired with a mobile app. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.